Have you experienced storm damage to your home or business? We offer 24/7 emergency storm response. No need to worry, we are here to help. We will help you process your insurance claim. With our streamlined process, there is no need to worry. We offer 24/7 emergency assistance. Call us today. Final Touch Construction and Remodeling. We are licensed, bonded, and insured in the state of Ohio. Call us today for an estimate at 216-503-2060 or visit us at our website www.finaltouchrestore.com. That's www.finaltouchrestore.com. Cleveland Storm Damage Restoration Team.